Hi Splendid lovers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Join me as I decorate this cake for my amazing client that booked it for a lovely husband. I love it when people are so intentional about their loved ones. Okay, so in this video you'll be seeing behind the scene of how I decorated the cake, and I'll be giving you guys a backstory on how I got the order and also the review my client gave me after I delivered this cake. So stay tuned, grab your popcorn, grab your wine, let's decorate together. So this cake is a 3-layer cake, though it's supposed to be a 4-layered cake. So I will let you guys know what happened later on. So I stacked my 3 layers of cake using a very tiny layer of buttercream in between the layers of the cake. Okay, so for this buttercream, I already shared the recipe on my channel. If you want to see how I made this chocolate buttercream, is the last video I posted before this very one, so do where to go and watch the video. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is to crumb coat my cake to seal up the cake crumbs. So one thing I love about working with buttercream or any cream at all is you don't really have to bother about trimming your cake. Unlike fondant cake, you can never do this with fondant cake because it's definitely going to show, but with cream cake you can, if you are very good with covering a cake with buttercream or whipped cream, and it will still turn out looking straight, beautiful and elegant. Yeah, so I added skewer to my cake to hold all the cake layers in place. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do not make it your last. Hit that subscribe button and join this amazing family. I share cooking and baking recipes and tips. Okay, so if you love cooking, you love baking and everything that has to do with the kitchen, do wait to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, I'm adding the final layer of the cream to the cake. So I'm just going to do this till it goes around my cake. If you are familiar with my channel, this process should not be new to you. So I'm just going to cover the cake with the final layer, then I will use my cake smooth now to just smooth everything until it's looking sharp and clean the way I like it or want it to be. This cake order was a referral from my mom. Trust my mom to tell everybody she comes across about the businesses our children are doing, because she's very proud and she knows that we are good at what we do. So apparently there's this pharmacy where my mom normally gets medicines, so she just randomly told them, my daughter is a baker, she's very good at what she does, just putting those nice words for me. And yeah, so a student nurse from the pharmacy collected my number and sent it to her sister that is in need of a baker. So that was how she reached out to me and we got talking. She told me how she wanted the cake, from the color to the write-up, like every detail of this cake was so intentional because it was her hubby's birthday and she wanted to give him the best, and trust me to deliver the best because my client's satisfaction is my topmost priority. So that was how this cake order happened, and yeah, I got to bake this cake for my amazing client. Now let's talk about the cake layers, which was supposed to be a 4-layer cake, but I ended up delivering a 3-layer cake. So what happened was that I have 4 size 8 cake pan in my cake studio, and I wanted to bake another cake flavor which is a size 8. So in order to save my gas, and just popped all the cake inside the oven at once for them to bake at the same time. So I poured the cake batter I was supposed to put in 4 size 8 cake pan into 3, so I can use the other pan to bake the other flavor of cake I wanted to bake. Okay, so when my client got the cake, because I would always reach out to my clients to know if they love the cake, and basically just get a review about the cake from my client. So she sent me a review first. She went with the good one, and me, I always encourage my customer not to give me a fake review. They should always give me their honest review on how they love their cake. So she sent me a review that she loved the cake and how fluffy and moist the cake was. And also, even before she came to pick up the cake, I sent her a video of the cake and she was very pleased with what she saw. So she sent me another message and she was like, she did not want to add a complaint to the former review, that we agreed on 4 layers of cake but she got 3. So I had to explain to her that the height of the cake was still the same, that I just had to use my other cake pan to bake another cake flavor, and each of my cake layer is supposed to be 2 inch of height. So for a 4 layered cake, you are going to get 8 inch high cake, you get. So I just explained to her and pleaded with her, and she was very understanding. We had that beautiful conversation and I was very pleased that she was able to tell me what she loved and what she was not really pleased with. And yeah, we had a nice conversation. This is the end result of the cake. You can see it's looking very, very beautiful. So it is very important to have like a communication with your customer and always encourage them to give you a very honest review so that next time they can be able to patronize you. So that is it about this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.